Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn whether you can use Hinge after being banned. To start, submit an appeal directly through the Hinge app if you believe the ban was a mistake. Then, wait for Hinge to respond to your appeal, explaining why the ban should be lifted. If the appeal fails, attempt to create a new account with a different email address. You can use new photos and a different phone number to avoid recognition. Here, change your device or use a new IP address. Avoid reusing any information from the banned account to reduce detection. Be cautious of the risks, as bypassing a ban may violate Hinge terms of service. Next, consider using a VPN to mask your location and device identity. Accept that creating a new account may still result in being banned again if detected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.